Hello friends, today I am going to tell you about the TCS NQT test. The TCS has announced its national qualifying test for 2021 batch. You can see the details of this test on their official site, on this site which is what, https colon slash learning.tcsionhub.in/hub/ national qualifier test. This is the URL. You have to visit that URL. On that URL, you can see they have declared that this national qualifying test will be on 24, 25 and 26 October 2020. For that purpose, they have started the registration process. On that website, you can click on register now option. When you click on this, one window will open on the right side. There you have to enter your email ID and password if you have your account. If you don't have account, you have to simply create your new account on that website. Once you create your account, you will be directed to the registration page where you have to fill your complete academic details on that website. This registration process will going to close on 17th October 2020, and they will start giving the sample test on this portal from 30th September 2020. So remember, these dates are very important. Now, who can apply for this national qualified test of NQT? So the eligibility criteria states that an applicant must have minimum 60% or 6 CGPA throughout academics and an aggregate of 60% or 6 CGPA in the highest qualification till the semester for which result have been declared. This is the percentage criteria. That means they are checking for what, 60% throughout in the academics, and if you have given the 12th or diploma, you should score 60% or 6 CGPA. For 10th, it should be 60%, and aggregate of your engineering course, which should be your again 60%. So throughout 60% criteria is there. The applicant must not have more than one active backlog, arrear or ATKT while appearing for the TCS selection process. Means what? एक से ज़्यादा बैकलॉग या एटीकेटी नहीं होनी चाहिए एक्टिव, दैट मीन्स एग्जिस्टिंग. If if the student got selected, the student while joining TCS must have cleared all pending backlogs ATKT within the course duration as stipulated by the university, failing which joining will be not permitted. That means before or at the time of joining of TCS, you should clear your all the backlogs. Then about gap or break in education, it is mandatory to declare academic gap. If you academic gap, then you should mention that while registration process. Overall break should not exceed 24 months. Any exemption are permissible only for valid reasons subject to satisfactory check of relevant document at the time of test or interview or onboarding process. So there should not be the more than 24 months back gap in your education. Please remember this. The age criteria will be an applicant should be between 18 to 28 years of age to participate in this TCS Ninja hiring process. The candidate from full-time course will be considered for this your NQT test. Applicant with secondary or senior secondary course from NIOS are eligible to apply if the other courses are full-time. Extended education, you can see this. Okay, now the most important part is about their test detail, how they are going to conduct their test. The test is divided into 5 different sections: verbal ability, reasoning ability, numerical ability, programming logic, and coding. So, what will be the time duration and what will be the weightage for this test? Verbal ability will be of 30 minutes, which will consist of 24 questions. Reasoning ability will be of 50 minutes, which will have 30 questions. Numerical ability will be for 40 minutes and it will have 26 questions. Programming logic will be for 15 minutes and it will have 10 questions. Coding part will have 45 minutes and it will have only 2 questions. Means if you focus on coding part, they are giving you 45 minutes, but they are going to give you only 2 questions. This means that according to me, they are going to give you one problem definition and you need to write the program on that problem definition. So overall duration for the test will be 130 minutes. That means 3 hours, and number of questions will be 92 questions. So these are the some FAQs related with TCS Ninja. You can go through it. I will provide the link for this document in the video detail. So you can see this. So student, don't wait. Start registration process. Start the practice for TCS Ninja test. Thank you.